Understanding Earning Credit, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, earning credit. This is a common phrase in English, especially in the contexts of education and finance. Understanding it will help you grasp many everyday conversations and texts. So, let's get started. Earning credit can be understood in two main contexts: education and finance. In education, in the educational context, earning credit refers to the recognition you receive for completing certain coursework or requirements in a school or university. Each course or class you complete successfully adds to your total credits, which are essential for progressing in your academic program. In finance, earning credit involves establishing a good reputation for repaying loans or debts. This is important for future financial transactions, like applying for a credit card or a loan. If you're known for paying back what you owe on time, you're said to be earning credit. Understanding earning credit is crucial because it 1. Helps in academic planning. Knowing how credits are earned guides students in choosing their courses and managing their academic journeys. 2. Affects financial health. In the financial world, your ability to earn credit impacts your credibility and options for future loans or credit facilities. Academic example. Imagine a university student, Alex, who needs 120 credits to graduate. Each course is worth 3 credits. Alex must successfully complete enough courses to accumulate these credits. Financial example. Sarah wants to buy a car on loan. Her timely repayment of previous small loans has earned her good credit, making it easier for her to get approval for the car loan. Earning credit is a versatile phrase with significant implications in education and finance. By understanding and applying this concept, you're not just learning English, but also getting insights into important life skills. We hope this video has been enlightening. Stay tuned for more English language tips and tricks.